BMS system is one beautiful thing, a building management system. What it does is able to manage all your utilities by means of a computer, basically. And it will be able to regulate your air conditioning, your temperature control, be able to regulate the activities within the daylight, not only, it will be able to regulate the lighting within the building, be able to turn it on and off during heavy usage or low usage, like in the evening, it'll turn it off automatically. The air conditioning can also be turned off automatically in times where there aren't any occupants within the building, like in the evening, for example, or when people go to bed. These BMS systems are commonly used in big buildings. However, they are developing systems that are used by the regular homeowner. I got one in my home that's able to regulate all the air and all the electricity and power and lighting throughout the house, which has made it very, very cost effective to use in my utility bills. BMS system basically is going to be able to turn on and off the utilities in a low time of usage. When you have during the day, you have so much daylight going on that it'll turn down the lighting. And in the evening, if the building is occupied, of course, it'll increase the amount of use of the building, of the lighting system. However, if nobody's occupying the building in the evening, well, it will turn it out, turn it off, turn off all the lighting. You know how we all worried about our kids turning off the lights? Well, you don't need that anymore. You know, now you can depend on the BMS system to do that. So it is one beautiful thing to be able to have a management system, and every building should have one. At some point, it probably will be a requirement to be able to have that. And it'll be more cost effective to be able to have a system like that, and it'll offset the costs of the waste of utilities. You do hear concerns about the BMS system being hacked. However, we've never heard stories like that, but I wouldn't be surprised if somebody is trying to do that, be able to hack the system in order to disrupt the operation of the building and possibly be able turn off the lighting or the power or mess with the mechanical systems to be able to disrupt the operation of equipment within that building. I'm sure the case is there. What I can't, we haven't seen it. However, what I can tell you is that when we design a building and we install we design a BMS system for the building, we work with the IT personnel of that building or that agency to be able to make sure that the proper security factors are in place so that nobody can come in and hack it. We see that often. We don't know to what extent, because they won't tell us, to what extent it is possible or there is hacking, but we do know that there is concern and they're addressing it up front.